Expeditors Logistics Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get freight forwarding wrong. They think it's only shipping boxes. The surprising truth about Expeditors is how it combines global logistics, technology, and compliance services, and you won't believe how much control it gives businesses over their supply chains. Here's how it works. Expeditors provides freight management, customs brokerage, and supply chain consulting. Businesses can ship via air, ocean, or ground while tracking every step of the process. For example, a company importing electronics from Asia can rely on Expeditors to handle customs clearance, monitor transit times, and optimize shipping routes. Most people get this wrong. They assume logistics is passive, but Expeditors uses technology and data to anticipate delays and reduce costs. Additional features include inventory management, compliance support for international trade, and real-time analytics. Businesses can integrate with ERP systems to streamline operations. However, there are considerations. Costs can be higher for expedited services, and smaller businesses may need guidance to navigate the platform. Most people assume all shipping is the same. It's not. Expeditors adds expertise and visibility. In conclusion, Expeditors Logistics is ideal for businesses seeking reliable, tech-enabled freight and supply chain solutions. It improves efficiency, reduces risk, and ensures compliance. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of logistics and shipping services.